everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Agua de Limon. It's a refreshing ice cold drink made with limes. So let's get started. So I have squeezed out some limes already, and there are this size. There's the big ones like this. So what I did, you cut it in half, and then I got my lemon squeezer here and you put it in here. Okay. So all together, what I put in here is 10 limes. So that gave me 1 cup of lime juice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the lime juice, and right here I have 2 quarts of water. So go ahead and put your lime juice in. And then what I did was I put 2 cups of sugar in here, but I don't know if we're going to be using it all, but let's just keep putting some in there and then mix it so it'll start dissolving. And then next, we're going to have our water, and then we're going to put that in there. Yeah, it's going to be good. 2 quarts of water right there. Because remember, we still have to put ice in it. And then what's going to give this lime juice that nice color is we are going to be putting lemon essence. You can find these at any Mexican grocery store, and they'll have them in there, or bakery, and you'll be able to find them there too. So this is called lemon essence. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of it in there, and it's going to turn nice bright green. Let's see if 1's going to be enough. That's plenty. And then, of course, you put your ice. Cover this up. Isn't that a pretty color? And that lemon essence, it also has a little bit of sugar in it, so that's why we're going to test it before for sugar. All right, let's give it a try. Okay. All right, and then we pour. And here we go. Fresh Agua de Limon. Let's give it a try. That's pretty good, y'all. Came out a little tart, but it's very tasty. So give it a try. Make it at home. Don't forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Leave it a comment below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.